In this video, we're going to try and start this Iltis. Do you think we can? Don't know. Well, there's a follow-up from yesterday's video about the Iltis. Well, that's all that's left of it. We chopped it all up at the back. It was absolutely rotten. I don't know, I know Mark's seen it. He said no, I'd never weld it up. So we chopped it up and kept the engine and gearbox and stuff like that in one big lump, which is a practical way of doing things. So what's next? Oh, by the way, we've got $56 for it. Oops. We're gonna have a go at starting this one. Just about to put a couple of batteries on. Looks like it's gonna rain, but stick around, it could be good. Okay, so we've attached the batteries and Mark is now going to turn on, Mark who's here behind the camera, he's going to turn on the ignition. Turn the climac. The pump, the fuel pump works. Well, it makes a noise, but then the Whoa! Stop it, stop it, stop. Good pump. It's a very good pump. It's spewing out of the top. Bugger. Well, that means that the float's stuck now. But do you want to just press the button to see if it will do something? Okay. Put the choke in, Mark. The choke? Yeah. That's it. No, it's not staying. That's it. Okay. Just push that up because I want to see if the engine turns. Might be seized. Okay.
But the pump position is off. The signal on is important.
Okay, well we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. I just want to see if it turns the engine. Just turn and see if it starts. It might start, it might not.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, that's good.
Click, click, click.
That means it's got sparks. I think we're onto a winner here. We're going to put his value up back from $70 to $170. I'll take you do what you're doing.
Is the float?
I think the float's stuck, but it just shows there's a bit of spark in that petrol. I bet they never saw that, did they? So, yeah. So we've got the ignition must be good, but there's too much fuel. Let's do that.
A working carburetor.
We'll take all this lot off. Take the top off. We'll find out why the float. Just for argument's sake, man. Just turn the. Where's the hammer? We can fix everything with hammers. Turn the ignition back on.
Same.
Just for a second.
Yeah.
No, not the dimmer bird, but just turn the key for power. Mark, I think we have a magic.
Probably, yeah.
Not leaking anymore. Shall we, do you want to turn the key, push the button, the little red button? Hang on. Try again. We're nearly there. Keep going. go down.
Magic boy.
Magic hammer.
Magic hammer.
It's good motor, Mark. Excellent.
Very good.
That's really encouraging. Didn't even check the oil. Hello. I hope you all got to see that. It actually is a runner. Let's bring this a bit closer. I'm over the moon with that, Mark. The petrol's what, 2.5 years old? There we go. Look at that. It's like a little sunshine. Is there any coolant in it? Whee.
No, I have a key.
Okay, ahead.
It's a good noise engine.
It sounds really nice.
Yes.
Shall we put some coolant in?
Yeah. No button on
No,
top.
no,
huh?
but no bushel.
All the stuff here, just
Is there
a
any-
limit.
I don't think there's any coolant in it. Well, let's just put some water in it, eh?
Yes.
Because if it
it's
leaks,
okay.
yeah, water is good. It's good. It's not going to
Okay.
freeze. Right, let's get some water.
Yeah.
I'm ready. We put some water in it.
Okay, yes. I started.
Go. This is a really poor.
So hold the hose, huh?
So I do that.
Pump.
Put the
Hold the pump.
Put the just ignition up. There it goes. Try it again. Okay. So there's something, Mark, in this float of this carb that's not playing up. Put the ignition on again. No. It's not coming through. It did come through. Now the magic hammer has let us down.
Try to start.
You could try it, but I don't think it'll work. Well, it's trying to pull something through. It's like the plugs have got wet. Bougie. Try it again. It's like a Formula One. We'll have Nigel, no, it's Lewis Hamilton. I want to buy this. Sounds great, man.
More air, the low chimney.
I think some fresh fuel will work great. Just be careful of getting too close to that heater. We don't want any burns.
No horn.
No horn? That's stealth mode. Oh well, that's good. I'm uncomfortable. Just let's let it warm up a bit, Mark. See if it will move the camera and see if it will move backwards and forwards with the clutch. See if it, it's like, ooh. That's cute.
Nice start.
Almost on the hump. So just as a Starship update, this oil pressure gauge has gone off the end of the scale, so that's good. The temperature gauge is good. And also, what's the other one? Oh, the voltmeter is pushing out 24 volts, that's good. Seems to be a little oil leak out the front somewhere. That's good. It's Mary will have to just disappear for a minute. So what we're going to do now is see if the clutch is stuck. Hold by B. All we need to find out if the clutch is stuck. If the clutch is stuck on, they're not screwed, but it makes life interesting. So it's not stuck.
The small end won't hurt you.
Eh?
The small end won't hurt you.
That's like a starter motor for a Land Rover, that thing. I'm pleased with that, Mark. What a great afternoon. What a great day it's been, hasn't it? It's been a really good day because by some strange coincidence, you know, I had that problem with the culvert. It got miraculously filled. So all we're waiting now is for the fans to kick in to see if the switch is working.
Move a bit more. Right. Not long.
No. Because there's no grinding of gears, eh? Is there any brake? Just paint, alright? Oh my God, the brakes are working as well. You know, Iltis are like winning, you know, like 9 out of 10 I can get them all to go. That's really impressed me, Mark. Made my day, that. See, look how the sun shines on the right twist. See, look at that, how the sun comes out.